Welcome. If you're here today, it's because you want to learn how to trade with method, discipline, and clarity. And you're right. Because what you're about to discover in this video can genuinely transform the way you approach the markets. Stay until the very end, because we're going to walk together through a complete roadmap. I'll show you how disciplined traders think, how they build solid strategies, manage risk, control their emotions, and improve day after day. This is not just another tutorial. This is a structured guide designed to help you move towards smarter, more stable trading. If you want to avoid the mistakes that wipe out most accounts, if you want to build strong foundations, then you're exactly where you need to be. Take a breath, get comfortable, and let's move together toward trading excellence. Introduction: Aiming for trading excellence. Welcome to this training, where we will lay the foundations of serious, controlled, and sustainable trading. If you truly want to improve, start by letting go of one dangerous belief: trading is not gambling. Disciplined trading has nothing to do with luck. It is a profession of precision, requiring structure, patience, and a clear understanding of the markets. In this video, I will guide you step by step to transform the way you trade. We will cover strategy, tools, risk management, and above all, the mindset that separates losing traders from consistent performers. Get ready. You're about to reach an important turning point. Why aim for excellence in trading? Why do so many traders fail? Because most enter the markets without preparation, without discipline, and without understanding risk. The numbers are clear. More than 70% of retail traders lose money, and 90% quit within the first year. But there is another reality. Traders who build structured methods, who commit to learning, and who control their emotions consistently outperform over time. Excellence is not luck. It is the result of daily work, clear objectives, and long-term commitment. If you're willing to put in the effort, you can become a trader who navigates the markets with confidence and stability. The 5 essential trading strategies in 2025. There is no single best strategy. There is only the strategy that fits your personality. Day trading requires speed and focus. Position trading suits those who prefer long-term analysis. Swing trading captures intermediate market moves and balances time and performance. Trend trading follows the dominant market direction. Scalping demands extreme concentration and discipline. Your job is not to do everything. Your job is to choose one approach, master it, and stay consistent. Strategy: the key to success. Improvised trading is your worst enemy. Every trade must be planned before it is executed. A clear strategy removes emotion from decision-making. It defines when to enter, when to exit, when to take profit, and when to accept a loss. A trader without rules is controlled by fear and greed. A trader with a strategy turns market chaos into a manageable environment. Strategy is not optional. It is your foundation. Risk management: the ultimate pillar. Here's a truth many traders avoid. Good traders lose, often. The difference is they know exactly how much they can lose without damaging their capital. Stop losses, controlled risk per trade, and favorable risk-to-reward ratios are what keep accounts alive. Your goal is simple: survive. Protect your capital. Stay in the game long enough for your edge to work. Good risk management turns losses into lessons. Poor risk management turns accounts into statistics. Trading psychology: mastering emotions. Psychology is where everything is decided. Fear paralyzes. Greed traps. Impulsiveness destroys accounts. Your mission is to build a disciplined mental routine. Analyze before acting, execute your plan, accept losses calmly, and manage wins without ego. Each trade is just one trade, not a miracle, not a disaster. Top traders attribute most of their success to emotional control. Master your mindset, and you master your future. Essential tools and analysis. To go far, you need the right tools. Technical indicators like RSI, MACD, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands help interpret price movement. Fundamental analysis explains why markets move. Interest rates, inflation, economic data, geopolitics. A demo account is your flight simulator. It's where you train without risking capital. And in 2025, artificial intelligence and algorithms are powerful allies, enhancing speed and analytical precision. Step by step toward excellence. Becoming a successful trader follows a clear path. Choose a strategy that fits you. Practice in demo for weeks or months. Apply strict risk management. Keep a trading journal to analyze behavior and results, and never stop learning. Trading rewards patience, discipline, and consistency. An inspiring trader's journey. Let me share a real example. Sophie started with a small account and failed during her first year. Instead of quitting, she studied, adjusted, and stayed disciplined. Today, she trades consistently and independently. Her success came not from luck, but from discipline, adaptability, and emotional control. Her rule is simple: learn from every trade, win or lose. Consistency beats talent. Excellence is a journey. Remember this: trading is not a destination. It's a journey. Start small, learn fast, improve daily. Your success won't come from one winning trade, but from repeating a solid process over time. With discipline, patience, and smart work, you can join those who trade with confidence and purpose. Trading excellence is within reach. The next step is yours. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If it brought you clarity, structure, or a new perspective on trading, then you've already taken a step many never take. If you want to continue improving, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss future content. A like, a comment, or a share helps this channel grow and allows this knowledge to reach others who are serious about trading. Thank you for your time, your focus, and your trust. I'll see you very soon. Until then, stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep moving toward excellence.